Hello, my name is Julia and this is YKC Tech. Today I would like to present you the facial analysis system CLREO 1. This system makes picture with 3 different lights: normal light, the polarized light and ultraviolet light. Then it analyzes the pictures and tells you the results, and you can learn about your skin condition, about the moisture, elasticity, pores, wrinkles, pigmentation, porphyrin, skin tone, skin type. This system also recommends you the cosmetics that you can use to improve your skin condition. First of all, you should open the program and input the customer's name, gender, and date of birth. And then we can begin the shooting. Ask the customer to put on the hairband and the black gown. The customer should put the chin on the chin rack. There will be 3 flashlights during the shooting. Ask the customer not to move until the shooting stops, and ask the customer to close their eyes. Now we can begin the shooting. Okay, the shooting is completed. You can take off the gown. After 3 pictures appear here, you should take the moisture check, press on the button, wait until the numbers stop blinking, and then check the forehead moisture. The picture will appear, or the numbers will appear automatically here. And then once again, the cheek moisture. After everything is done, you can begin the analysis. No eyelashes, no hair should be included in these blue areas. After the analysis is done, the total result can be seen. In this graph you can see the oil and moisture amounts. Moisture can be very insufficient, insufficient or adequate. In case of this customer, the moisture is adequate. And here you can see the oil amount. Can be dry, neutral or oily. For this customer, U zone is dry and T zone is neutral. Same with this oil and moisture balance graph. If you see that the red dot is in this area, then you can see that moisture essence is needed. And if the red dot's in this area for the oil, then you can see that moisture essence and cream products are needed. The further the red dots are from the center, the better it is. This is for total skin health graph. 100 is the best. 0 means that skin is not in very good condition. 40 and 60 is the average. And here you can see same as that graph. The further the red dots are from the center, the better it is. So if the red dots are here, like here in the skin tone, then you can see here the focused skincare is needed. So you should pay attention to these points. So in case of this customer should pay attention to skin tone and oil. And in general, his skin condition is pretty good. These are 2 main factors for the focused care, and this is skin age. And if you input the cosmetics of any brand or any skincare recommendations, they will pop up here for each customer, different cosmetics will, different combinations of cosmetics will pop up, will be recommended. And here the doctor or the consultant can, the advisor can write some comments. The result can be saved. And here you can see this is a shopping cart. This is to save the result. You can print out the result. And this is another option to compare the results before and after. I will show you. If you click on that, for example, the customer comes after using your cosmetic products 2 weeks later. You do the analysis again, you do the shooting again, then you choose the date and you press comparative analysis, and the analysis is done. And here you will see different numbers. This is the analysis result of the pores of this customer. If you press this red button, you can see the normal picture, and this is the picture with the pores. If you click in any area, you can see the pores in 3D. This, and if you press C on your keyboard, it will show you the 3D color. And also if you press F, it will show you the depth of the pores. This is structure. On the left you can see the customer's average number in percent of pores, and on the right is the average number of this customer's age group. So if this number, the left number, is higher than the right number, then comparing to the average, customer's skin condition is a little bit worse. If it's really higher than the average, then the customer is suggested to take continuous skincare. If it's lower, then his skin condition is really good. If it's just around the average, then his condition is normal. And here you can see some comments about skin condition and pore condition in this age, and some recommendations of what to use to improve your skin. Next one is wrinkles. You can also press here to see the normal picture and the picture with the wrinkles. You can click on any area around the eyes and see it in 3D, like this. It also shows the comparison with the average, and comments and recommendations on what to use. Next one is spot pigmentation. You can also press on the red button to see the pigmentation. You can also see it in 3D. And here as well as comparison with the average number. So this customer's pigmentation is okay. This one is the inner pigmentation. You see the black dots. Also comparison with the average, the graph as well, the percentage in each area, and comments and recommendations. Next one is skin type. These gray dots show the sebum, and here you can read about your skin, to deal with some problems in different seasons of the year and so on. Next one is porphyrin. Porphyrin is something that can become an acne. It is something similar to whiteheads. If you see big red dots, like this one, like this one, if you don't pay attention to that area and if you don't do proper cleansing, it can become an acne. Blue dots are sebum. So you can check every area for the big red dots. If there are no big red dots, then that's good. So see, the red number is the porphyrin number and the blue number is sebum number. And also it is a comparison with the average. So this customer's skin condition, the porphyrin condition, is pretty good. And as well there are some comments and recommendations. This one is skin tone. If before the lower the number was, the better it was. Now the closer the number is to 100, the whiter the skin is. So here you can also see the lightest area, C, this one, the darkest area, A and F, F and A, usually it's under eyes, dark circles, and here some recommendations. This window shows the moisture and elasticity. Moisture can be adequate, insufficient, very insufficient. This one is adequate. So, you can see some recommendations for this customer. And this one is elasticity. This is also normal. You can see these blue arrows. If they're in this area, then the elasticity is low. This is normal, and this is okay, good. And this shows the degree of the slope. You can also click on this and see these lines show the pores that get connected. So later it will become a wrinkle. You can also see it in 3D.